My name is Daniel. I moved here from Boston about 2 years ago and I live at Kurrajong Village. So I chose to live on campus because it's close to uni, it was really convenient. And then also I saw just how many events were held on campus as well, and it looked like a really fun place to live. I really like my room here. It's fully furnished, it's got a bed, it's got a wardrobe, it's got shelves, it's got a study desk installed, it's got everything I need to live and to study here. The grounds are great. There's lots of grass, there's lots of trees. There's a volleyball court, so every Monday we play volleyball, it's really fun. The common room is pretty big. There's TV, there's study space, there's a pool table. Actually, I went to watch the World Cup and there was already a group of people watching it, so it was great to meet people with the same interests. I've met people from Malaysia, Indonesia, Germany, and many more countries, and a lot of these people have become really close friends. The application process was easy. I was able to find and apply online really quickly, really easily. So I wasn't able to come and view the rooms because I lived pretty far away, but I was able to view the rooms online. They have a 3D room viewer, which made choosing a room really easy. I drove in here, I was able to check in with the staff. They made it really easy for me. They showed me where my room was, and any help that I needed, they were happy to oblige. The location is perfect for me. It's within walking distance of lectures. There are shops nearby, there are restaurants nearby. There's a bus station in walking distance, so I can get anywhere in Perth that I want to go. The staff put on a lot of fun events. A group of us went to walk along the river and watch the sunset. There's volleyball, there's indoor soccer, like tours of the art gallery. There's lots of fun events for everyone. If you're considering living on campus, I say definitely go for it. It's been great for me. I'm enjoying studying, I'm making a lot of new friends, and it's helped me fully experience university life.